Pichu's head will turn into a bat head. So while Pichu will have a bat head, that means that is a mask. This is the body. Now we're done with the body. Now to draw the bat head. So let's draw a circle, and this one, it's just like a pig, but it's not a pig. It's a bat. It is a bat. And 1, 2 teeth. Let's now draw the eyes and fill it in there. We're almost done with the eyes. We only need one more left. And 1, 2, 3. We're done the eyes. Now it is going to be the Pichu ears, but it is recolored into bat color. And we're done with the face. I mean the ears. Next is Pikachu will turn into a ghost. So the ghost is just like, but Pikachu is inside the ghost. Even the ears is showing up. And we needed to put some holes so Pikachu's eyes could be seen, because he couldn't see when those holes are not open. And there. Now let's draw his mouth. And then mouth needs to be open. And the mouth is done. Now the ears are next. There, we're done the ears. And let's put some lines. Now let's put the feet. There. And it needs hands. It needs hands because as it could not. There we go. The hands of the Pikachu. Now let's draw the cheeks. Wow, it's almost connecting to the hands, and we're done. Last one is Raichu. He will turn into a Frankenstein. No, Raichu. He's a Frankenstein, remember? And we needed to put one line and some lines on the line. It's just like line. But there's no line Pokemon. Because line is... Let's draw the eyes. There, we should fill the eyes are black because Pikachu and Raichu's eyes are black. And there. Now the nose and the mouth. The cheeks. And maybe the ears will be right here, but we needed to put the nails first. And there. Let's put the ears right here or on right here beside the nails. I'll choose right here. And we're going to be done with the ears. And there. And this is the body. It has clothes, but not the normal Raichu. It doesn't even have clothes. Only this Raichu only have clothes. This is the Raichu that only has clothes. The Frankenstein Raichu. And the shoes. Those are the feet, but it's the shoes. Because it's wearing shoes. It's wearing clothes. We're done the hands, too. Now the tail, because Raichu has a long tail. But Pikachu, it's just like a lightning tail. What? I add more. That is because it has sleeves. I added the hands because this is just sleeves.